For the parent who feels like they've already ruined their relationship with their teenager, what can they do today to take the first steps to repairing
Oh,
that?
I love that. There's no such thing as a ruined relationship, because because it's a brain and body based state, is always available. So a parent just has to slow down, evaluate their role, be really honest in evaluating your role in your relationship with your child as it exists right now. And ask yourself, let me make this even more simple. What are three things? I'm going to make this so simple. What are three things today that you can do that will create more joy in your relationship with your child? And what are three things that you're doing today that are creating more stress in your relationship with your child? Do more of the three things that create joy and do less of the three things that are creating stress. And if you'll do that for a couple weeks, stop trying to force it. Don't force it. Give them space, especially teenagers. If you'll do more of those three things that create joy and less of those three things that create stress, you will start to see the relationship shift. And over time, prolonged regulation, being calm, being fun, being connected is what restores relationship. And in truth, a strained relationship is actually the greatest opportunity for the strongest relationship. Because when it's been strained, when it can be restored, it'll be even stronger.